from the recommender and make the preferences about their fashion ideas. And where our project represents the fashion recommender based upon user preferences, trends and occasions, and what it is like. And when we are related to some occasions or any parties and however we are going outside, we are doing the same logical thing as a fashions, and we are searching for more outfits like ethnic wear and modern wear, western wear and cultures, whatever it is. And for everything we are doing the same that we are uploading images, and here we created a platform like a recommendation, and here we uploaded an image or any searching the ethnic wear and whatever it is, and it gives the recommendation up to top images, and we can find the same models and same criteria of the searches. And here explanation about front end will be by myself Mamu.
Hello everyone. Hi everyone, my name is Mamita. I'm front-end technologies in our project. Those are HTML, CSS and JavaScript. HTML is used for whole our project structure like pages, home page, sign up page, login page and return page and wish list page. And we have used forms, login form and sign up form and contact form for our user recommendations. And we have used CSS for design and styling. We have used DSS, CSS, UI and transparency technologies for transparency technologies in the project. And we have used dot backend in a project. And we have used JavaScript for dynamic and responsive integration for a website. JavaScript is by using JavaScript implemented
In this project, we use the backend for the Python with Flask framework. In this, we use also data storage for the JSON files, which is in this project. For server side, we use the Python with Flask framework, which is used for the login page, contact page, and index page, which is integrated the front end with back end. And when the user interact with the given the input for the back end, it will request to the API and it will return the output. Then we use data storage for the JSON file, which is used for the contact forms. In this, when a user gives a message in that format, and it takes the inputs like email, name, and it gives details. And we use the API for integration, which is used for the taking images from the direct Google, which is used for the real-time communication with the user. And our friend continue the
We explain about our project code. This is our project code. In this, we use Flask, Python, HTML, CSS for frontend, and Flask for integration, and we use JSON format file to store the messages, and we use SMTP protocol library. It means simple message transfer protocol to send the emails. And here we use all the libraries which we use the models API to generate the recommendations user needs. And our website. See, whenever we use wrong password, it will show a message like this that we have to enter the correct password. You have added some credentials to our login page and sign up page. This is our home page and this is our about page. In this about page we have included all the details about our project, means how it works and how it gives recommendations and what are the pages which are included in our project. We have included all in our about page. In this project the user can search their wishes through a search bar, or they can upload a photo. They can get the recommendations here, like now I enter Sari in this search box, and when I click get recommendations, it will give recommendations of Sari. The users who want to create their own outfits, they can choose their outfits from this and they can create their own outfits. This is the help of our project, and we can also choose a file and upload a file. Then also it will get the recommendations. And we also added a wish list page. In this wish list page, the images which we are, the user like the images can be added to the wish list page. Like we show a pop-up message like added to wish list, and these images will be saved in the wish list page. And if you want to remove that image from the wish list, then they can remove from the wish list page. And we also added a contact page. The user, if they had any problem, they can contact us, or any message they want to give to us for our website, they can give using this contact page. If they send message, we use SMTP protocol and date and timestamp libraries. These issues will be stored in the JSON file we included in our project. The message will successfully message will pop up. It is message will stored in the JSON file. The message now she sent, and the time and the date also will be stored in this message, because we use date time library. And future enhancements will be discussed by my friend Rupa.
Coming to future enhancement in our project, we want to integrate database like MongoDB, and want to develop more recommendations and fashion choice.
About advantages of our project. Firstly, user can interact with our project easily, and second one is
user just have to upload the image or enter the text based on that data. So we can recommend many of the images from that images whenever the user will be free. So they can select any images according to their favorite. So that data will be stored in the list. So here this project make that process simple, and here we have to conclude that this project meets the technology into the fashionist. In the future, we want to upload complete data which was entered by the user in the contact phase into the MongoDB. So present the data will be stored in the local storage in the code. So in the future, we want to recommend more images based on the data, and also we have to connect to the database. And finally, we want to conclude that here the technology meets the fashion choices and make